Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to fix Roblox Error Code 403 updated. Okay, so this is a very easy tutorial. First, you have to go to your task manager. Okay, you just have to tap the search icon if you don't know where to find it, and then type task manager, and this is what it looks like. Now make sure that your Roblox is not running here. If so, all you have to do is to click that and then click end task. The second thing to do is to go to the search bar again and then type the word run, and then a small box will pop up. Click open first and make sure that you type the same thing as this percentage or percent symbol, app data, and percent symbol. And then all you have to do is to scroll down here and look for the folder Roblox. Okay, go to local first, app data, scroll down and look for Roblox. And make sure that the Roblox player and studio is there. Third is you just have to exit this folder and then go to settings again. Now you just have to look for network and internet. Scroll down and look for VPN and make sure that you are not connected to any VPN because that is also one of the reasons why you encounter problems when it comes to your Roblox, especially this error code 403. Now go to Google web browser, type Roblox, and then here you just have to click any of the game. For example, you want to play this Combat Wires, click this green button. Now you have to download and install Roblox just in case you have deleted it or if the problem is still occurring. Okay, you just have to download it and then need to go to Firewall and Features. And then after that, you just have to go to Allow Apps, click this one. And if you see the Roblox here, because actually I have deleted my Roblox account. If you see the Roblox here, you just have to tap the two boxes here on the right side. Okay, then after you check the two boxes here, all you have to do is to exit this part and then go to Google web browser and then type Roblox again. Or also you can simply go to www.status.roblox.com and try to see the status of Roblox today. Because one of the reasons why you encounter this code is because there is something working on here. Okay, so let's just say they're fixing that part. So it's also a wise thing to do to check this one first before doing this method. Then if you found out that everything is okay here, then there's something wrong with your computer. Thank you so much for watching this video tutorial. See you again in our next videos.